Hi, in this video I will show how to use JSON to ini file conversion app. This is my website. I will leave link on this site in the description. To find app, I will click on search and type JSON to ini and click on page, double click on download button to start downloading process and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. JSON is JavaScript object notation file. It's used JavaScript syntaxes to store configuration data. Ini is more like old Windows text-based configuration file format. So this app will convert from JSON to ini. After archive downloaded on my computer, I will click on it and double click on MSI inside archive to start installation. Click on more info. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish here. And you can see app has been installed on my local computer and I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, minimize this, and I want to show you JSON file I have. This is example of JSON file from json.org and it has like some glossary, title, some information here. And we want to transform it into ini file. So I'll double click on application shortcut to launch app. Now this is like in JSON example folder, structure, my documents. I will close it. Now conversion is 3 steps process. On first step I have to select input file. I will click on select input file, navigate to folder where my JSON file is, and then let's see, JSON examples, structure JSON. Click on, after I select, I can select multiple files if I want to place all data from them into one ini file. I can do that. Now I will click on next step. There are no conversion option on second step. If you think of any like conversion options that can tweak conversion process in some way, please let me know. I will add it to the screen and it will be available into next version. Right now I'll just click on next step, and here I can preview ini file. By clicking on preview, you can see all data extracted from our initial structure and it has all fields in it. So I'll click on save result to save any file and go and save result, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see how file look like. You can see there is a configuration setting ini file. I'll just open it, edit it in Notepad, and you can see data has been extracted from JSON into HTML standard, HTML, ISO everyone, para, see also 1, 0, and glossaries. Yeah, so everything has been extracted into ini file, and now I can use it. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.